The Ninja Foodi Power Bowl is specifically designed to power through frozen foods with less liquid, allowing you to create thick, spoonable textures like creamy smoothie bowls, nut butters, and frozen treats like blender ice cream with ease. I love smoothie bowls, and my favorites include not just fruit, but almond butter, chia seeds, and more. The key to a good smoothie bowl is a really thick base. That way you can make it super beautiful with all your toppings and then snap a picture to post on social media. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to make a thick and creamy smoothie bowl at home. Let's get started by making a mixed berry smoothie bowl using the Power Bowl. This recipe can be found in the Kickstarter guide that came with your blender. To get started, add the liquid. Pour your milk or milk alternative into the 14-ounce Power Bowl, filling to the liquid fill line. Next, add frozen mixed berries directly from your freezer up to the max fill line. Now if you want, you can amplify your bowl by adding a scoop of superfood powder, protein powder, a scoop of yogurt, or nut butter. Today, I'm going to be using a scoop of the homemade nut butter that I made earlier today in the Power Bowl. The next step is to blend, so we're going to screw on our blade assembly, lower the bowl onto the base, then twist clockwise to lock it into place. You will hear a click when it's successfully installed. The control panel lights will illuminate. Since you're making a smoothie bowl in the Power Bowl, you're going to select the bowl program. While the program is running, twist the power paddle counterclockwise continuously while the smoothie bowl processes. This will ensure all the ingredients are pushed down toward the blade and you get that thick, spoonable result you're looking for in a smoothie bowl. When the program is complete, remove the bowl from the base by twisting counterclockwise and then carefully remove the blades. Scoop out your smoothie bowl into a bowl. Look how thick and creamy it is. Then add your favorite toppings. This is where you can customize it to be however you like. Today, I'm gonna add some of my favorites: banana, blueberries, some coconut shreds, and chia seeds.